Okay, so now it's mixed up. You can see it's quite a kind of runnyish texture, that. So just give it a good tap to try and get the air bubbles out of it. And then pour it into the mould. Once it's in the mould, just give it another bit of a tap to try and get it to come up. You can leave it for a few minutes to firm up a little bit. But we're going to just start putting these LEDs in because we want to get them to sink quite nice into the top of it. So here's all the LEDs. And then just tap them down ever so slightly just to get them to sit into it properly. You'd probably be thinking that the actual plaster will stick to the bulbs on the way out, but it's not a problem. You'll be able to get your solder on them quite nicely.